we should believe that the Masjid Al-Aqsa will be back to Muslims. No doubt. We should be sure about that. The Prophet ﷺ said, the Sa'ah or the last day will not come until Muslims fight Jews and the Muslims kill the Jews, until Jews hide behind the stones and the trees, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make the stones and trees to speak. Except one tree, al-gharqad, the hajar, the stone, the tree, the shajar, to speak. Ya Muslim, Ya Abdullah. And some scholars said a very important point, which means the tree and the stone will call the slave of Allah, not the one who is worshipping the graves. They will call the muwahhid. They will not call anyone who is worshipping graves or worshipping awliya. So you should be a sincere Muslim. Then the stone and the tree will call you. But if you are not a good Muslim, they will not call you, except al-gharqad. And this will not happen until we follow the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.